There seems to be a storm coming. Well, that's alright. Because we're making fish tacos, baby. Let's get it. What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Cut Loose. Today we're making fish tacos with a nice little pineapple slaw on top and some cilantro dressing. Woo! So I got my fish over here. I'm using some tilapia. We're going to put it on the grill. We're going to do this real quick because it's about to rain. But if it rains, hey, listen, it is what it is. What you do out in the sea, you eat fish. You know what I'm saying? Keep it in the sea, if you know what I mean. So we're going to make this tilapia on the grill. I got my slaw here ready. It's just a mixture of regular cabbage, red cabbage, a little bit of carrots. Got some pineapple. We're going to mix that in all together. Get a nice, beautiful blend going. A beautiful blend going, baby. You know what we do on Cut Loose? We make delicious dishes. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna add some lime juice to that. I got some soft shells and I got some hard shell tacos. Now these are a little different. These are little bowls. We're gonna make nice little fish taco bowls out of these bad boys right here. You know what I'm saying? Nice. Let's do it. Only on Cut Loose. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you share this. You know how we do it over here. So my first step is I'm gonna season the fish. I'm gonna put a little bit of adobo, a little bit of pepper, some paprika. You know how I do it on Cut Loose. Listen, you already know my seasoning, my style. You can change it up if you want. You can add whatever you want, but for some tilapia, a little bit of adobo goes a long way. So a little bit of adobo, some paprika, garlic powder, some onion powder. That's it, the basics, baby. That's all you need to create a delicious dish. That's all you need. So let's get to work. Boom, and just like that, my fish is seasoned. Let's get to work. Let's keep doing it. Let's go, let's go. It's about to rain, baby. It's about to rain. Yeah. Oh man. I also have some onions and peppers, some white onions, some red peppers, green peppers. We're gonna put that on the grill, get it nice and sauteed. A little bit of butter, you know what I mean? That's all you need. That's gonna go on top of the fish. Put a little bit of cilantro, put that slaw, that pineapple slaw, little cilantro sauce dressing on that. Come on, man. And we got some banana peppers. How I forgot the banana peppers? You're gonna add the banana peppers to the slaw as well. Mix it all together, baby. Get the sweet and the salty and the hot and the spicy. You already know how we do it. Come on, man. I need a little bit of my drink over here, you know what I'm saying? Ah, delicious. What's in this? You might have to leave a comment down below and ask me and I'll tell you then. But I can't tell you now, you know what I'm saying? I got secrets. I got Cut Loose secrets. That's how we do it on Cut Loose. I'm also gonna add a little bit of lime juice to my fish. You know what I'm saying? Give it a nice limony flavor. Limony. Limony. Oh, you don't like my words? That's too bad. Because it's my show. It's Cut Loose, baby. We out here cutting loose, doing what we want to do. How we want to do it. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you follow. Make sure you share this video with all your buddies, your mom, your sister, your brother, your father, your cousins, your aunt, your uncles, your grandma, your grandpa, whoever. Your neighbor, your front neighbor, your side neighbor, your right, left, backwards neighbor, all kinds of neighbors. All right, baby, now it's time to put it on the grill. It's all seasoned up. I'm gonna give you guys a close-up so you can see what it's all about. Woo-wee! Woo-wee! What? Oh! Look at that, look at that. Look at all that flavor, baby. Come on now. We're gonna get this bad boy on the grill, get it nice and grilled. That's it. Get it nice and buttered, baby. You know what I mean? Boom. That's gonna be for the onions and the peppers, baby. Woo! Come on now. Come on now. Stirring it with the butter. Stirring it with the butter. Get that fish on there. Woo. Woo. Too fire, too fire. You should smell this. I wish you guys could smell what this smells like. I wish we had smell-o-vision. Smell-o-tube.
Hey, yo.
Pause. While we get these veggies nice and roasted, that fish gets nice and grilled, I'm gonna make the slaw, baby. Let's get to work on that slaw, baby. So I got my fish grilling. I got my veggies roasting. All I gotta do now is make the slaw. Some pineapple. Let's drop that in there. Whoop. Some banana peppers. I'm gonna put a little bit of lime juice, some salt. And that's all she wrote, man. That's all she wrote. You're gonna mix that in together. Let's go give that fish a look. Roast them veggies up, baby. That's it, man. It's so easy. Anybody could do this. You could do it. See how easy this is? Anybody could do it. If I could do it, you could do it. Believe that. It's too easy. Make sure you try this. If you're into fish tacos, make this. If you're not, listen, you could do this with steak, with chicken, with pork, whatever kind of meat you want. Pause. But you could do it with whatever you want. So do it. Do whatever you want to do, how you want to do it. Cut loose. Make sure you always cut loose. That's key. That's the key to all of this. All right, we got it off the grill, baby. Come on, man. Look at these roasted peppers and the onions. Look at that fish. Look at that color. Come on, man. Where you gonna see this? You're not gonna see this nowhere but on Cut Loose. All right, now it's time to build these bad boys. Woo! Come on now, look how pretty. Come on now, look how pretty. Woo-wee. Come on. All right, look what we got, baby. It's all done. We got them fish tacos done. Grilled pineapple slaw grilled tacos. Come on now. We got the fish, we got the peppers and the onions, we got the slaw with the pineapples and the banana peppers. We got a little cilantro for some garnish. Let's give this baby a try. Woo! Taste test. Hell yeah. Yup. Oh yeah. All I gotta say about this is, oh yeah, man. And it's just that easy, baby. You saw how easy that was. Come on now. Listen, make sure you try these. Let's get to the point. I'm gonna go eat these bad boys. I could probably finish all these by myself. Pineapple slaw fish tacos. Woo! Listen, come on, man. Hit that subscribe button. Ladies and gentlemen, come on. You see me doing big things here. Let's get it going, baby. Let's do it. Let's do it only on Cut Loose. Thanks for watching. Have a good one. See you later. I would salute, but I can't because I'm holding the tacos. Whoop!